best. First one, I am the best. Second one, I can do it. Second one, I can do it. Third one, God is always with me. Third one, God is always with me. Fourth one, I am a winner. Fourth one, I am a winner. Fifth one, today is my day. Today is my day. By APJ Abdul Kalam. Now we get into the lesson. The name of the lesson is Wonderful Wastage. The name of the lesson is Wonderful Wastage. So children, what does mean by wonderful? Wonderful means extremely good. Wonderful means very good, extremely good. So what does mean by waste? Waste means useless or unwanted. In this story, we will see how the useless thing get an extremely good dish. In this story, we will see how the unwanted thing get an extremely good dish. Okay. In the previous class, we have learned that there was a king of Trivandrum who ordered a grand dinner in his palace. Before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. Then he noticed a basket full of vegetable scraps near the cook and asked the cook, "What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps?" And the cook replied, "They are waste." And the cook replied, "They are waste." Maharaja ordered to the cook to find a way to use the vegetable scraps. The cook was in a hard situation to find a new way. Then he looked sometime for the what? Yes, very good, vegetable scrap. Sometimes he stabbed the vegetable scraps and suddenly an idea flashed in his mind. Today we will see what was an idea came in his mind. Today we will see what was an idea came in his mind. Shall we start reading, children? Yes. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them and cleaned them well. First, he took all the vegetable scraps and washed them and cleaned them well. He washed the vegetable scraps and cleaned the vegetable scraps well. Then he cut them into long strips. Then he cut the vegetable scraps into long strips. He put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Then he put all the vegetable scraps in a what? Very good, huge pot and placed the huge pot on the fire to cook. Next he ground. Ground means grain. Grains past tense ground. Some fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic together. Then he grinded some fresh coconut, green chilies and garlics together. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetable. Then he added the paste and some salt to the cooking vegetable. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Now he wiped some curd and added it to the curd. He also poured a few spoons full of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. Children, see the adverbs. Tempting means attractive. Tempting means attractive. Wiped means beaten into fruit. Wiped means beaten into a fruit. Decorated. Decorated means make something look more attractive by adding. Decorated means make something look more attractive by adding. See, children, an attractive smell started coming from the pot. Now he wiped some curd and added it to the curd. He also poured a few spoonful of what? Very good, coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. the new dish was ready. The cook served this new dish to the guests that evening. So children, lo and behold is the phrase. It means, look, what a surprise. Lo and behold is a phrase. It means, look, what a surprise. Children, now the new dish was ready and the cook served the new dish to the guests that evening. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. Everyone was eager to know the new dish name. The cook thought and thought. Then a name came to his mind. Then the cook thought and thought. After his thought, then a name came to his mind. He named it Avial. Then he named the dish as Avial. This is how you have to pronounce the word. A-V-L. You have to pronounce the word as Avial. A-V-L. Is that clear, children? Avial became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. And imagine it all came from a basket of wastage. Wonderful Wastage is a story that tells us about the origin of the famous dish from Kerala known as Avial, and also how we can utilize the waste by creativity. For your more understanding, I have attached a video. After an idea came in his mind, first he took all the vegetable bits, washed them and cleaned them well. Then he cut them into long strips. And put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Next, he grinded some fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic together. Next, he added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. After that, he wiped some curd and added to the curry.
also poured a few spoons of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. Finally, the new dish was ready. The cook served this new dish to the guests that evening. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. The cook thought and thought, then a name came to his mind. He named it Avial. Avial became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala fest. And imagine, it all came from a basket of wastage.
Children, today's assignment, complete page number 13 in your textbook. Write down the antonyms, past tense and framing sentences in your classwork notebook. Refer the PDF which is attached with this video. Have a nice